gorgeous. That's what a star is. Born to have a diploma, not a trauma. Raised to be wearing glasses, not happiness. That's what a star is. Yes, I am a bouquet of roses blooming with perfect wonders and unique towers. But I also have skills of thorns that kill and fill the hunger of the demonic maniac that everybody fears because of its roars that everyone hears. Yes, I am beguilingly intelligent, but I am not a mere tedious experiment. It's just a scientist's entertainment. I am a singing princess in a talented dress with liquid inside my eyes, solidifying to show you that I am a golden magic with diamond medals. I am an accelerating bike with damaged pedals and wants to play a different game. But I run because I am the admired beauty of the academic fame. Immaculate, exquisite, perfect. My wings and high grades and one contest are pressure to always fly high and find the rainbow where there's a perfect sky. But they do not know the storms of lies behind my happy smiles because they are never interested in how I cook. Just that I bring food and follow the book. Para sa inyo, ako'y matalino. Para sa mga pusong aking namarahuyo, ako'y bituin, may tumiginang nasamyo. Ngunit para sa aking nakakaalam ng totoo, ako'y kawawang api na talintado. Hindi lamang talino ang dala ko, ako rin may taglay na maharlikang talento na nagsasamo na sana'y pansinin ninyo nang nagtatampot na durugo kung silang po. Dahil hindi lang naman ako magaling, ako rin may humaling sa aking sariling yugto. Oh, kahit talino mo, kahit taas ng grado mo, sabi nila. Ngunit di man lang nakita ng kanilang gunita ang labi kong kumakanta ng tulang kasintasin. Dahil sa ating planeta, matahong ang maalam at tatapak-tapakan lang ang mga mapahibugho nating mga sining na dapat tinatangi rin. It's never just a song with words and a tune. It's never just an art. It is always an art with abstract, meaningless meanings of art, of passionate singing where you stand tall to proudly present how amicable you always fall to your own graceful call just to be called a fool by the people who can't even shoot a ball. It's just a skill that won't pay the bill. It's just adjust to the unjust. I told the unjust sun about darkness, about how the stars alluringly lack sadness. Ngunit pagbalik-balik-tarin ko pa man ng mundo, hindi mauunawaan ng isang liwanag ang dilim. Dahil ito ay nalihim na kulimlim na kahit gaano kalalim niyang isipin at subuking intindihin. Ibang mapalit ang liwanag sa dilim. Different kinds of sparkles, varying colors of glitters. We are all unique, so why does it make you sick when I have my own candy to lick? 10 ang nakapagpapataas ng grado at ngiti ninyong mga hurado. Hindi ang saya ko sa paglalaro at ang pagbibigay kahatulan sa aking talento. Sapagkat ang kumakantang ibon ay maingay at ang sumisigaw na manisto ay dalisay. I am a victory to everybody, but I am a failure to my own trophy. Because I am perfect.